Good morning. Good morning. Pauwi na tayo. Nagliligpit lang tayo. Today is July 17, Monday. Itatapon yung mga basura natin dito. Eto, ililigpit ko na kasi si Jan. Tatanggalin ni Jan yung ating owning. You're right, Isaac? Yeah. And eto, get dressed now, please. Change your clothes. Ayan si Kuya, tinatago niya na yung mga upuan. Yung iba namin mga kasama, nakaalis na kasi. Sa cabin lang naman sila. Kami, marami pa kaming, ayan, yung oni, ililigpit pa ni Jan. Ayan si Kuya, tinutulungan niya na. And ako, nalinis ko na dito. Eto, hindi naman ito babasagin. Ilalagay ko na lang sila dyan. Kasi kung mahulog man sila, hindi man sila mababasag. And ayan, nakabihis na siya. Sinuot niya ulit yung kanyang jumper na binili ni daddy niya, pero nag-change siya ng damit. Ayan. Nakaligo na pala ako, and paglabas ko sa bathroom, natanggalan ni Jan yung ating awning. Hindi natanggal. Nakip niya na kasi niro-roll lang naman yung awning natin. And as usual, si Kuya lagi ang kanyang katulong. Si Sak tumulong din, pero most of the time talaga si Kuya. Parang tinitrain siya ni Jan. And ayan si Jan, kinabit niya na yung caravan natin sa car. And dito okay na to. Naalis na rin yung TV. Ayun na. Ayan, uwi na tayo guys. And yung caravan natin, ayun, nakahook na siya. So, give me my phone please.
It's fine. I'll finish this match.
Meron ako dyan na games na tagal-tagal na nilalaro ni Zach. Ang check-out pala dito is 10 o'clock, 9:08, maaga tayo. Maaga tayo nakapag-check-out. Maaga tayo makakapag-check-out pala kasi hindi pa tayo nakalabas. So, yun na yung ating holiday dito sa Robe. Tapos, yung mga bata, next week pa yung pasok nila. Next week pa. Next week, Monday. Kasi ngayon is Monday. So, 2 weeks kasi yung holiday ng mga bata. So, meron pa silang ilang araw bago ang pasukan. Bye-bye! You say good morning. Ay, yeah, you did. Nilagay ko lang sa face ko ngayon ay yung aloe vera and lip tint. Hindi pa ako tapos mag-skincare. Kasi, paalis na tayo. So, nandito lang ulit sila sa harapan ko. So, tapusin ko yung aking pag-skincare. Yan, kalalabas lang natin sa gate ng park. Ayan siya. Discovery Park. So, welcome to Robe. Yan yung ating house or caravan. Ayan yung caravan natin.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer.
Dito na tayo guys. Ayan. Ayan na yung bahay. So, yeah, ibababa lang ng mga boys yung, yeah, ilalagay agad yung caravan sa shed. So, yung mga bata, ang gagawin nila ay ibababa nila yung mga scooters and yung mga labahan ilalagay sa likod after nila after nila maibaba yung scooters, yung mga labahan ilalagay sa likod ng car. So, we'll see kung hanggang saan tong vlog natin. Pero, yeah, maglalaba lang naman ako. Then, mag-chicken nuggets sila kasi may nuggets ako sa freezer. So, yun na siguro yung vlog natin, guys. Kasi wala naman masyadong ganap na. Yan ko na yung vlog. Kasi si Jan, ilalagay niya yung yung caravan sa shed. Ako maglalaba. So, yun na guys. So, balik ulit tayo sa caravan life after nito. Then, next updated vlog ko ay pupunta kami ng Melbourne. pupunta kami ng Melbourne. So, yun yung magiging next updated natin, guys. So, habang hindi pa kayo pupunta ng Melbourne, kasi next month kayo pupunta ng Melbourne. So, habang hindi pa kayo pupunta ng Melbourne, balikan ko muna yung ating caravan life na hindi ko matapos-tapos. So, yun na, guys. Thank you so much. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Again, kung gusto niyo mga skincares, Korean skincares, Korean clothes, BKK or Bangkok clothes is still available po sa Holy Mom Style. Link down the description box. And collagen from Korea. See you guys. Thank you. Bye. Happy Tuesday, guys. Today is July 24. And yung aking mga boys, ayan, nilalagyan nila ng ng gravel, yung mayroon kasing butas diyan, oh, na parang mayroon tayong diyan, yung parang mini pool. So bumili si diyan ng sa mount ng ganyan para itapon dito. And si Jan, nilabas niya yung car ko. Kanina pa sana kami alis ni Sak, pero hindi ka makalabas kasi nakaharang yung car niya. Pero ayan, nilabas niya na yung car and kumuha lang siya ng petrol. Kasi pumunta kami, sorry, diesel daw, diesel. Kasi punta kami ni Sak, kami lang ni Sak, pupunta sa town, mag-grocery kami kasi back to school na silang dalawa. Silang tatlo, back to school na sila. Ngayon yung ngayon Monday, wala silang pasok kasi meron silang tinatawag na student free day. So, di ba, nag-holiday silang 2 weeks, then after 2 weeks may student free day sila. Ngayong Monday. So, bukas ang start ng school nila.
Monday.
Ha?
Monday.
Yeah, today. It's student free day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Only for hour now.
Dito lang pala sa school nila. Ay, diba? Ibang school nila. Maraming bakasyon sila. Good job, boys. Ayan na si Johnny. Okay, Zach, let's go. Look at that. They done a lot. Okay, come on. Kinuha lang ni Zach yung aming grocery bag. Ayan siya. Ayan si Kuya. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Huh?
Walk faster.
What?
Walk faster.
Walk faster. Dito na kami sa town. Pero punta muna ako sa Priceline kasi may titingnan tayo and sa house. May titingnan ko. Nilalamig siya pero naka-short siya. Siya na talaga. Kung naka-heat-tech pa ako nito sa loob, siya na talaga yung Hi, Zach. Okay, let's go. We're gonna cross. Come on, Zach. Katabi lang yung Priceline tsaka yung house. Ayan. Dito muna tayo sa Priceline. Wala dito yung gusto kong hanapin. So, punta na tayo sa house. May gusto kong hanapin na pan. Maliit na pan. Dito. Buy one what?
Buy one, get one free. No, if you buy that one, you can get another one free.
Sabi ni Sak, buy one, get one free daw. Eto, meron ako nito sa bahay. Pero hindi ko pa ginagamit. Ganito ang itsura niya. Makikita nyo yun one day. Hindi, pero matagal na yun sa akin. Hindi ko lang binubuksan pa kasi wala akong paglagyan. Ang laki niya kasi. Maganda to, oh. We have to put this back because we're gonna get this one instead. Yeah. So this is 89, get one free. Okay. Sabi ni Sak, kunin ko daw dalawa. Sabi ko, hindi natin kailangan dalawa. So, kukunin ko na lang ay this one. It is how much? 119. Pero yung pinakamahal yung babayaran natin. Tapos makukuha natin na free yung isa. Ito is, how much is this again, Sak? Did it say? How much is it? How much? 140. So, okay. We'll get this too. Yung brand niya is, what's the brand? Baccarat. Yeah, same as my knife. Okay, come on.
Got it?
Yeah. Kain daw muna siya bago kami mag-grocery. Dito tayo sa, mag-shortcut tayo. Sige, mag-shortcut daw kami. And baka mag-Kmart din muna kami bago mag-grocery. Alams na yan yung kinuha ni Sak, yung crispy chicken. And si Sak, meron siyang free sa Footy. Nung nag-Footy sila, ito yung kanyang free dito sa Subway. This is mine, and this is for Kuya TJ. Buy one, get one free. Yun yung deal doon sa nakuha niyang price sa Footy. Kailangan mo pa rin bumili. Tapos yung isa free. Pero walang drink na free yung isa. Just a chicken. You're done? You finished it all? You're still hungry? Gutom pa siya. Tatlo na yun. Oh. That's for TJ. I will save you some with this one, okay?
I ate it.
Gutom pa daw siya eh. Spicy. Good? Chicken yung kinuha ko tapos maraming spicy na, maraming spicy. Meron siyang sweet chili sauce tapos yung isa pang spicy nila na tinatawag tapos may avocado. Alright, tapos na kami ni Sa kumain. Punta muna tayo sa Foodland. Bago sa... May Kmart pa pala kami. Kuha tayong steak.
Get the big one. That one, the whole big.
Suka tayo nitong scotch. Ha? Si Sak nilalamig. Ikaw kasi, bakit ka kasi nag-short? No, we have a bag. Which one do you think we're gonna get, Sak? This one?
Scotch.
Yeah, I know. All of them are scotch.
That one looks the best.
This is the best. Looks the best. I think so.
Yeah.
So this is 81 and 81. So you think this one?
Yeah.
You sure?
That one's 67.
Yeah, but that's small. The 67 is small. This one, okay?
You have that?
Question ng ano, sour patch?
Yeah,
Welcome. Kuha ko nitong clear drawer para sa freezer. Kuha tayo yung isa. Hindi siya ano, parang may something doon. Ito. Kumuha kami ng cart kasi mabigat yung ating kinuwang scotch. Yung steak. Meron ako nitong dalawa doon. Nandun na sa freezer. So, parang ito lang naman yung kailangan ko sa freezer. And bili ako ng scale for my cooking, for my baking. Meron akong dalawa na maganda yung brand. Nasa house ko siya, binili ko saan tayo galing. Hindi na sila nag-work kahit bago yung ang tawag nun? Battery. Or baka yung battery nilagay ko, hindi rin siya nag-work, not sure. Pero meron tayo dong dalawa, hindi talaga nag-work. So, hindi ako nakakapag-bake masyado. So, siguro itry ko tong Kmart brand. May tear ba to? Nagtitear ba siya? Nagtitear. Check ko lang. Ganito ang battery niya. Kinain niya na yung lollies na binili natin sa Foodland. Dito tayo sa Coles. Grocery na tayo. Tayo ng kale. So please, thank you. Did you look if it's alright? Okay. Yeah, I think that's alright. No. Pink lady. All good? Oh, so we're gonna get strawberries, blueberries,
And
raspberries. Is this right, Sam? Was it good? Trinay niya yung grapes.
a bit
Sour?
sour. Do you call it tomatoes or tomatoes?
Tomatoes. You're right? This one. Okay. Thank you. Kuha mo tayo ng water. One more, please. Thank you. I'm gonna get the beef mince. Here. Here. You like this one? Okay. So, meron tayong sausages and yung ating chicken mince. And beef. What did you say? Walang coffee si daddy niya. Wala doon eh. Yung gusto ni Jan na coffee. Bumalik kami dito kasi kuha tayo ng celery para sa aking juice. Oops. Okay, sak. Ay, ang tagal ng ating very hard to open. You know what you have to do?
What's that like that?
Yeah, see?
Oh, you should just go.
Yeah, okay.
You want me to get like another bag and put it over?
It's alright like that, love. Thank you. I think we still have milk sack. Yes, we do. Daddy just got one. For Daddy. Alright. Ito tayo ng spinach. Hi, Te! Kuha kayo ng salmon. For you? You want some? Okay, gusto rin isak ng salmon
Oh, I
eh.
have it.
Belly please. Yes, thank you. Yan, kuha tayong smiley fruits and binigyan siya ng isa. Inamoy niya na naman. Nakakuha tayo ng salmon. Ayan yung salmon natin. Tapos na tayo dun sa mga veggies and fruits and meat now. Sa snacks na nila. Baon para bukas. What do you want here? Roll-ups? Get the bigger one. That one. Yeah. I don't know. The dinosaur. Chicken. You like that one too?
I just don't want to get one slice.
Well, just get one. Wala na bang eggs? Check it first, ha? Get the double one. Check it first. Yeah.
Oh, these.
Yes, I love that one. Kuya TJ.
Oh, wrong.
Yeah. Yeah. What's that?
Space. I never have what the normal.
Chicken. This one's that. Get this one. Yeah, that one. Oh, hangi sak. What else do you need? Rice cracker, rice cake. Okay.
I made the salt and vinegar.
We'll find it. Salt and vinegar, yun. How about the other flavor? First, TJ and Holly. Get another one. Just the plain one. Ang tagal. 1 minute na tayo dito sa... Okay? Alright. What else? Siya ang pinapapili ko ng snacks nila kasi sawa na sila dun sa mga kinukuha ko. The harvest, yes. Kaya mo yan. Okay, that's it? Not yet. Yeah, toilet paper and coconut water. Kumain tayo ng coconut water. Ayan. Maybe we can ask the lady. That's alright. Okay. Yeah, get 4 or 5 of those tomato sauce. No, just huh? 6. Yeah. All right. Okay. That's it. Patay nitong garden veggies na spiral pasta. Here you go.
Just looking at it.
For your lunch. The bigger one, sir. Down, yes.
This.
The other one. No, we already have that one. Yeah, we need AAA for our... Di ba may binili tayong scale? Ayan, AAA. Toilet paper.
Oh, carry.
No, just put it on top. Tapos na tayo dito. Bayad na tayo. Yeah, here. Dark chocolate. Super dark.
Do you?
For now, yes. Alam niya na yung pasunod-sunod kung paano ilagay yung aming mga pinamili. Una, yung mga malalamig muna, yung mga cold, like meat and yogurt. Then next, vegetables and fruits. Huli yung snacks. Good job, Zach. Ayan, na-scan na yung water natin. Yes, please. Thank you. Come on, Zach. I'll put this one. Perfect. Siya daw. Sabi ko, sige, ikaw nang bahala. Put on top, yes. Please, thank you. Ayan, tapos na tayo sa coast. Bit-bit ni Sak yung ano, yung paper towel. Ayan o. Holly? Holly's na andito pa yung mga jumper nila. Sabi ni Jill, wag ko raw ibaba. Okay, ayan na. Thank you, Zach. Punta pa kami ng Baker's Delight. Pero sabi ni Zach, ako na lang daw. Hindi na raw siya sasama. Yes. Oh no, just put it on the side. Give it to you last. So just put it here for now.
I feel like it's gonna fall.
So where are we gonna put this one? You have to move the other one, Zach.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Alright. Tinanggal. May sapatos pa kasi tayo dito. Okay, all good. Chicken. Yeah, all good. So just put this one. No. I'll do it now. Okay, put the cart.
Get the bag, Joy.
Yeah, I will get my bag.
Oh, lucky the cat.
It's okay. Yeah. Thank you.
You have the personal channel?
Yeah, it's the paper bag set for Baker's Delight. Okay, see you later.
How long we type?
Not long. Ayan lang naman yung Baker's Delight. Walang tayong tinapay. Ayun, ating bread. What did you say? Can you put it, please? Put it at the back.
No, you didn't.
No, I didn't get hot dogs. Oh, you know what? Maybe next time na lang yung Filipino store.
Do you want the smell?
What smell? Oh, smells so good. ang pang-amoy nito parang aso. Ayaw niya raw yung smell dito. Okay, kuha ko nito yung malilit na ano, yung shallot na sibuyas. Kasi wala nito sa coast. Gusto niya ng mugo-mugo. Yes, please, for Kuya and Holly. What's the flavor?
This is
Blueberries. I don't think so, Kuya. Blackcurrant. Okay.
oh, this one.
You want that one? It's up to you. Okay. Okay, let's go. Yun lang. Wala pa silang fresh na vegetables today. So, ito lang yung nakuha natin. Tsaka yung good sa mga bata. Uwi na tayo. Huh?
Smells good.
No, I'm alright. Sabi ko palamigin niya muna. Hindi siya makatiis. What do you think? Good? Na? See, I told you. Bahay na kami.
Drive in it.
Yes, I did. Ayan na yung ginawa nila, oh. Wala nang tubig.
It'll take a bit to flatten out. Don't get dirty, Bob.
Yeah. Malulobat na tayo. Ayan, si Kuya at si Jan ang nagbababa ng mga pinamili natin. And eto yung bago natin na pan. Wait, pakita natin. Yan, box natin yan. Hindi to yung dinner natin, guys. Si Kuya kinakain niya na yung Subway.
Have you said it wasn't splashing? That is fun.
So yung gagawin kong dinner is magsa-sausage lang kami. Tapos may binili na tayong pasta. Potato salad and coleslaw. Yeah. Okay, eto yung binili natin na bagong pan sa house. So, buy one, get one free. Ang babayaran mo ay yung pinakamahal, tapos yung next ay free na. So, yung binili natin ay eto yung pan na,
And there was this section.
yes,
Okay,
baccarat. Magandang baccarat. Yung knives namin, yung mga kutsilyo namin, baccarat yung brand. Ang tagal na yan. 10 years na yung aking ginagamit na na knives. So, eto maganda. Meron din akong baccarat dyan na yung pinagluluto ako ng steak. Ayan, baccarat. So, this is healthy, low-fat cooking. Ang sabi. Ang sabi dito.
well, that's new.
Binili ko to kasi kailangan ko ng maliit na ayan. Meron tayo dyan yung maliit, kaso parang gamit na gamit ko na siya. So, para mapahinga rin natin. So, this one cost, oops, how much is this one, Zachary?
It was like, what my mom let me say right there. $140.
$139.99. So, this is
140.
140. Tapos, etong isa, eto is 119 ata to.
Let me show this test.
Yes, this one is 119.99. So, it's parang 120 din siya. So, mas mahal to. So, eto yung binayaran natin. Tapos, eto, free natin nakuha. Okay na rin din, di ba?
What cheetah?
Kasi buy one, get one free. Yun yung nakasale sa kanila. What's that sa? Cheetos. So, yan yung ating bagong lutuan. Pan. Wala siyang takip. Yun lang. Wala yung natakip.
I'm not going there.
Eto pa, nagluto ako na, pag ako lang kasi diba, during lunch,
Come on.
ako lang naman ang nandito sa bahay.
Hey, yeah, you make some cheetah.
So, pwede nating
Fine, I'll try first.
lutuan to ng pakonti-konti lang. Diet talaga. Hindi, meron ako dyan yung maliit, kaso ano ko na talaga siya, overuse na. Tapos,
It doesn't matter, I don't really try.
tawag nun? Parang dumidikit na yung yung
You tried it first.
egg. Parang dumidikit na sa ilalim yung egg. Dumidikit na yung egg. So, and meron tayo sa caravan. Ayaw ko namang galawin yun yung ating, maganda rin yung nalutuan natin. Ay! Midori. Midori ba yun? Basta yung Korean, maganda rin yun. Pero ayaw ko yun ilabas sa caravan kasi para sa caravan yun. Bakit to ayaw matanggal? Yung complicated naman ito buksan. Anong meron? Ay, meron siyang, ano to? Wala lang. So, yan. Bago nating pan. O, diba? Tapos, pag nag-stir fry na konting veggies, so dito ko na lang lulutuin. Ay, i-end ko na yung vlog, guys. Yun na yung vlog natin. So, yung next vlog kong updated vlog is yung pupunta kayo ng Melbourne. Malapit na rin yung next month. Kasi ano na ngayon, 24, diba? So, yeah, punta tayo ng Melbourne. So, yun na yung vlog natin, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in my next vlog. Good night. Alright, boys. Good night.
They're ending it now.
Yeah, I'm gonna end na. Oy, kinakain na ni Sak yung Cheetos.
And the chicken and avocado.
You don't like the avocado. Ayan yung Subway.
No.
Tingnan nyo guys yung aking skin. Wala akong nilagay na cushion or any foundation. Ano lang siya, yung skincare na mga Korean, tsaka tinted na sunscreen. Yun lang yung nilagay ko. Diba? Para siyang glowy. Flinex ko lang yung aking face. Kung gusto nyo ng Korean skincare, meron po tayo. Available dito sa Holy Mom Style. Nandyan siya sa kwartong yan. Kung gusto nyo lang naman. So, yun lang.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.